Hello everyone, let's dive into the Dell 575 BBMT mount for E-Series 2016 monitors. This kit, model number FRH04, promises to be a seamless solution for those looking to optimize their workspace with compatible Dell monitors. First impressions are important, and the packaging suggests a well-thought-out product. The package arrives with dimensions of 29.77 by 18.85 by 2.86 inches and weighs in at 3 pounds. This gives a sense of the sturdiness of the mount itself. The mount is specifically designed for Dell E-Series monitors from 2016. This is important to note, as compatibility is key. If you have a different series or a monitor from another year, this mount might not be the right fit. The listed screen size of 3.1 inches seems to refer to a component dimension rather than the supported monitor size. The monitor it will hold will most likely be much larger. The specification of FHD10 80p resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio are standard for many monitors, but these specs actually refer to the monitor that will be attached to the mount, not the mount itself. The glossy screen surface description also refers to the monitor, further emphasizing that this mount is designed to showcase your display, not be the display itself. The key benefit of this mount is its ability to free up desk space and offer a more ergonomic viewing experience. By lifting the monitor off the desk, it creates more room for other peripherals and allows for adjustments to viewing height and angle, potentially reducing neck and eye strain. Installation is generally straightforward, but it's always a good idea to consult the included instructions or online resources for guidance. Make sure to securely attach the mount to both the monitor and the desk or wall, following all safety precautions. Overall, the Dell 575 BBMT mount appears to be a solid choice for users with compatible Dell E-Series monitors. Its sturdy construction, space-saving design, and potential ergonomic benefits make it a worthwhile investment for creating a more comfortable and efficient workspace. Just be sure to double-check compatibility with your specific monitor model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.